Hi, this is Devin from Vive Health Customer Service. This will just be a quick tutorial video on our Vive Dressing Stick. Dressing stick here can be used to put on or take off clothing, and in this video I'll demonstrate how to put on a shirt or a jacket. Now here we have a sweatshirt, and we'll start by getting our arm through just one side of it. You get that onto your shoulder securely, and then try and get as much of it as possible back over to your other side here. Now, with the dressing stick, we can help. We can push it from the back so that we can grab it down below. We can sort of adjust it here so that we get the hole for the sleeve available. And let's hold that up so that we can get our arm through. If in some cases the shirt or the sleeve twists or anything, you can use the stick to sort of hold it up. Get that back over your shoulder and on properly. And it's as easy as that. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.